develop a perception about a particular brand,
Okay.
and they should be able to communicate in one line. I'll give you one example.
Yes.
I'm talking about Surf Excel.
Got it.
They have this campaign, Achhe Daga.
Daag Ache Hain.
Daag Ache Hain.
Huh.
Daag Ache Hain. So I'm retrofitting, because I was not part of the creative. How would they get? How would they would have got that particular line? I'm saying the creative brief would have said something like, "I don't care about hard stains.
Okay.
I love to fight it."
Got it.
See, that is the kind of thing that a consumer should be able to communicate. Look,
Understood. The way I look at it is they have empowered consumers to actually dirty their shirts, or in this case, obviously, student or a kid.
Yeah.
That don't worry about playing in a ditch or wherever it is.
Correct.
Get spoiled, we will clean.
Correct.
So no matter what, how dirty it is.
Correct.
So it's sort of empowering, the consumers, that go ahead, we are there to take care of you.
Correct.
And that's how now.
that particular line would have got converted into Daag Ache Hain.
Got it.
So
got
create,
it.
and also see, you said something which is very important. Empowered customer.
Yeah.
Today the customers are so much more empowered because they had so much of information about it.